Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that river token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, River is building the first chain abstraction stablecoin system that connects assets, liquidity and yield across ecosystems. Powered by the Omni CDP stablecoin SAT-USD, River allows users to collateralize assets on chain and one chain and mint on another, natively earning, leveraging, and scaling across networks. Beyond traditional models, River has pioneered Prime Vault and Smart Vault, which combine collateral flexibility and automated no liquidation yield strategies, enabling seamless multi-chain expansion. River token total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is around 19.6 million River token. River token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEXC, BingX, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.